Hello friends, in this video we will be making a beautiful greeting card with a message inside without using scissors. Materials required to make greeting are 1 color paper, 3 different color sheets in square shape, 1 glue stick, 1 crayon and 1 sketch pen. First we will take one sheet and we are going to fold it in half from the between. Make sure that you fold properly. Then we have to fold the bottom right corner upward along the crease. Repeat the steps with the left corner. Flip the paper over. Fold the sides and bottom points a little. Your flower is ready. Make 2 more flowers with other color papers. Now, fold the A4 size paper into half to make a card. Paste all 3 flowers on the card. Paste all the flowers properly on the card using the glue stick. After sticking the flowers, draw the stems and leaves of the flower. Write the message inside your card using the sketch pen. Our card is ready. You can also decorate the card as you want.